now to
Naisip ko ngayon sa
different
Pantamia na Greece.
parts.
Sa
My
shop.
phone storage is full. So
Para talagang
this is
hindi matutuyo.
this is gonna be part 2, but this part will be uploaded.
Ito may butas tong kaliwa natin.
These other
Nararamdaman
parts
ko.
will literally gonna be uploaded before the first part or second attempt.
So, baba eh. 21.
This is
Eh,
travel
sa
vlog.
office yung
No, number 3. So let me get you aspect of this window. If we move the storage so easy. Hi, being at the travel vlogs. Like 2 parts. Just this travel vlog. I'm gonna use this. These are for the first song, start from the need some stuff at the brickyard. So this will be the last vlog for now at the travel.
Lahat 31 eh. Yun lang ang 25. Butas. Hanggang na idadalhin ko sa
I think the next vlog might be soon. Hindi tumiyate.
Boss, thank you po.
I'm gonna vlog that.
Pang konti. Thank you.
I'm driving off. I can hear the turn signals.
Naisip ko bukas na lang dumaan sa SB. Bukas na lang kasi pwede naman tayo dumaan doon papunta sa
Sonatas.
Gentry. Diyan din naman yung labas yun. Para wala rin traffic siguro. Baka traffic.
Oh, Nisuru. It's like what I told you earlier, guys. See you next